In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage junk email settings in Microsoft Outlook. Let's get started by opening Outlook. If you're using the desktop app, give it a moment to load your mailbox. Everything we're going to do happens right from the main mail view, so you don't need to dig through menus or settings panes elsewhere. Make sure you're on the Home tab at the top of the window. This is the tab that shows your mail commands and the ribbon with options like New Email, Delete, and other message tools. If you don't see the full ribbon, expand it so all the commands are visible. Now, look for the Junk button on the Home tab. It's typically in the Delete group near the top left. Click Junk, and then choose Junk Email Options from the drop-down. This opens the Junk Email Options window, where you control how Outlook filters unwanted messages. You'll see several tabs here. On the Options tab, Outlook lets you choose how aggressively it filters messages. You'll find levels like No Automatic Filtering, which relies mainly on your blocked list; Low, which catches the most obvious junk; High, which is stricter and may move some legitimate emails by mistake; and a Safe Lists Only mode, which allows messages only from people and domains you've marked as trusted. Pick the approach that matches how tight you want your inbox to be, keeping in mind that stricter filtering requires you to keep an eye on what's diverted. The Safe Senders tab is where you identify people or domains you trust, so their emails stay in your inbox.